Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to join Minecraft servers inside of Minecraft Bedrock Edition. To start with, you want to click play and at the top here select servers. Now it gives you some featured servers. These are ones that are built into Minecraft, which you don't actually have to add. They're automatically there for everyone. So if you wanted to join one like this, simply click on whichever one you want and just select join server. That will then load you into the server and you can begin playing whatever games they have available. Now if you wanted to find an unofficial one, minecraft-pocket-servers.com, and this will actually show you all the Minecraft Bedrock servers. Now if you wanted to play a certain minigame such as prison, you click on that and it will show you all the top prison servers on Minecraft Bedrock. If you wanted to see the top servers in general, you can look at the rank and scroll down and you can see what games they offer on the right hand side and you can just choose one that's good for you. I'm going to select this one just to test it out. So I'm going to copy the IP here to the clipboard and also make sure the server version is the same version I'm on. Then go back into Minecraft, make sure you're on the servers tab and you want to scroll down to the bottom, and underneath these official ones there's a little button that says add server. You just click on that, proceed with this. From here you enter the name, it doesn't actually matter, I'm just going to call it 123 and paste in the server address. And as you see there's these 5 numbers on the bottom here. This is actually the port. So as you can see, the port's already been pasted in, so I can just remove these. playnevergames.org, and then this is the port. And then we're going to go ahead and click save. And as you can see, it's now been saved at the bottom. And you can click join server, and you'll connect to the server. Some servers have custom resource packs. I don't actually want this, so I'm just going to join. As you can see, I'm into the server and you can click on this and play whatever games you want to play. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please comment down below that it worked and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.